video, my first video on the Vedic mathematics, square of any two-digit number. So let's start without wasting any time. But before proceeding, I will like to tell you how to find the square of a number ending with 5. I mean, how to find square of any two-digit number ending with 5 that has 5 at its ones place. For example, I take at 5. So what is the square of 5? What do you mean by a square? A square means when you multiply the number by itself. Okay? When you multiply the number by itself, so 5 into 5 here becomes 25. After the 5, we have another number that is being ending with 5 is 15. So what is the trick behind this? 15 square. Okay? 15 square. So what is the trick behind that? First of all, we will look at the ones place digit number, that is 5. So I simply write 25. Now, what is the digit at tens place? At the tens place, I have 1. So, what is the successor of 1? That is 2. So, means multiply this 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 when we multiply is 2. So, the answer will be 225. Now, let us take one more example. The square of 25. Square of 25 means 25 multiplied by 25. So, when you multiply 25 by 25, what is the answer? See, 5 5s are 25. Now, what about 2? What about the tens place digit? The successor of 2 is 3. The successor of 2 is 3. So, 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. Similarly, you can find out the square of any digit that is being ending with 5, or you can say the ones place digit of the number is 5. How? See, let us take 45 square. 35 square I am leaving for you. 45 square. 5 square means 25. What is the successor of 4? The successor of 4 is 5. So 4 5s are 20. 55 square. 5 square 25. What is the successor of 5? That is 6. So 5 6 are 30. So you can proceed with the same method up to 95. Okay. So now let us proceed with the another method. Our general rule of finding the squares. What is the general method? General method means earlier I told you how to find the square of the number ending with 5. Now, but if you have in the numbers like 14, 32, 78 and so on. So, how to find the square of such kind of numbers? Okay, so let's start with 11. I am starting with the very first two-digit number because very first two-digit number is 10. But we all know 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. So 11 square. Let's start with the 11. Okay. So again what we will do, there are 3 digits as we can see here. There are 3 digits in this number. Okay. 1, 1 and 2. So first of all I will write down the square of ones place digit. Okay. The square of the ones place digit is 1. After that, what I will do, I will multiply all the 3 numbers on the screen. 3 numbers within this circle. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. At last, at the 100 place, I will write down the square of the tens digit number, that is 1. So, when you multiply 1 by 1, again you will get 1. Now let us take one more example, say 12 square. Okay, what is the rule? First you have to write down the square of the ones place digit. So that is 2. So 2 square is 4. After that we will multiply all the 3 numbers. How? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. At last we will write down the square of the digit at tens place, that is 1, and 1 square is 1. Now let us say move towards 16. 6 square. 6 square is 36. But I will write down here 6 only. 3 I will take it as carry. Now we multiply 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So 12 plus 3 gives me 15. And then carry is 1 again. So 1 square is 1 and 1 plus 1 are 2. So the answer is 256. So this is so easy, and this method is going to help you to find out the area of squares, area of rhombus. In rectangles you can use these tricks, and these tricks are very useful in the Pythagoras theorems, where we are going to find out the another sign when one side is missing, like base, height and perpendicular, and we are in the need of finding squares. So this method is very helpful over there. Next, let's take an example of 18 square. Okay, 8 square is 64. So 4 over here, 6 as a carry. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So now the carry will be 2 again. 1 square 1, 1 plus 2, 3. So the answer is 324. Now let's move towards the 2-digit number, that is tens place is 2. Say 22 square. Okay, 2 square 4, 1's place digit is 2, 2 ka square 4. Then multiply all these 3 digits. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then the square of the tens place digit, that is 2, and 2 square is 4. So this is so simple. Let us take 28 square. 8 square 64. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. 32 plus 6 is 38. Okay. Now 2 square is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So 784 is our answer. Similarly, we can find out the square of any 2-digit numbers like 46, 59, 78. These are the few examples I am doing here. Otherwise, you can find out the square of any 2-digit number in the same manner. So let's find out 46 square. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 6 4 are 24. 24 2s are 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. So 4 square 16. 16 plus 5 is 21 again. So 2116 is the answer. And the square of 59. Yes, can you solve it with me? Square of 59 is 3481. Okay, I have done it mentally. Next, the square of 78 is 6084. And the last but not the least, 81 square 6561.